Hello, and welcome to the HiCAD short clip on the subject of improvements in sheet metal. The first improvement is the sheet along sketch function. Now there is a direct preview of how the sheet is created. This means you can already see from the sketch line how thick the material will be. You can also still modify the direction, and the sheet thickness is in +Z, in this case 100 mm. If you want this to be higher, you can of course change that, and we see the result right away. The second improvement is the standard sheet metal cassette, which you can find in the civil engineering functions. The cassette should support the facade engineering. You can define the sheet metal cassette regularly over length, width, and material thickness, or over a sketch. The sketch can be arbitrarily distinct and the sketch can be selected via the civil engineering function, standard sheet metal cassette. By using the attach flange function, similar to the normal attach dialog, I can define the length input, how long is the flange to be, or the fitting mode, with or without shortening, etc. When clicking OK, I get asked for an assembly. We want to create an assembly at this point and receive a preview and can place it accordingly. And here we have our sheet metal cassette. With the processed corners, which we have chosen in the dialog beforehand. This means that we can get back to the dialog window by clicking on the feature protocol, and you could, for example, say for the processed corners, okay, this is not the right one, I would like a different one, and you could apply that to all other corners if you wanted to. An additional point is the type of views, which you can define here. It is thus easier in a workshop drawing to dimension the sheet metal cassette via dimensioning rules. Another improvement concerns the development. In the past, you could extract section contours completely in one go, so all sheets in the drawing were written into a directory in one go. However, as I said, only the section contours. In the Service Pack 2, there's the possibility to extract the complete contour plus the information it includes. For example, bend zones, bend radius, punching tools, whatever it includes. This means everything you have defined before in the default settings. This will also be written in the external DXF. Let's have a look at the whole thing. And to do so, we itemize the whole drawing and say not all sheets as section contours, but really all sheets DXF complete to the directory. In the end, we get a result list of the developments that have been extracted. The list can be saved as a CSV file on top of a text file. So that's the next improvement. We'll have a look at such a development. To do so, I would go to an empty drawing window, go to the directory, and snatch a development and load it here. So now we have the according information, which I have chosen beforehand. I now see the bend radius, the angle. This means all the information I have defined before. Okay, If you're interested, you can have a look at the other short clips regarding the improvements. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.